If you're planning a move during the holidays, you're about to pull off something pretty unique. And I've got 5 smart tips to help you do it smoothly and still enjoy the season. First, lock in your moving company as early as possible. The holidays mean less availability, odd operating hours, and crews that may be smaller than usual. Booking ahead gives you room to breathe. Second, plan for weather and busy travel. Whether it's snow, ice-covered walkways, or heavy holiday traffic, prepare yourself and your moving team. Clear driveways, check forecasts, and allow extra travel time. Third, take advantage of lower demand. Because fewer people move around the holidays, you might snag better deals on movers, trucks, or storage. Keep that budget in mind and see where you can save. Fourth, pack smart and keep one holiday essentials box handy. You'll want to access a few things right away, like chargers, decorations, maybe a cozy sweater, so you don't feel lost in boxes when you arrive. Finally, give yourself a bit of breathing room. It's a big life moment, and you also want to feel the holiday spirit. Stay connected with your routine, invite a friend over, or simply put up a small decoration in your new place to make it feel like home. Moving during the holidays doesn't have to mean chaos. With these tips under your belt, you'll move strategically, stay organized, and still enjoy the holidays. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@mmovers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.